Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Instagram tip for you that can help boost your social media game. Have you ever wondered how to let your followers know when you're active on Instagram? Well, it's super easy. First, open your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy. At the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Click on it and search for Show Activity Status. Here, you can toggle on your Show Activity Status to let your followers see when you're active on Instagram. It's as simple as that. Your followers will now see a green dot next to your profile picture when you're online. And that's a wrap. Now you can stay connected with your followers in real time. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Catch you all on Instagram, and until next time, keep posting those awesome pictures and stories. Bye.